Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make time on your G-Shock watch. Setting the time on your G-Shock is a straightforward process once you know the basic steps. We will walk through each part together, ensuring your watch displays the correct time. This easy method will help you quickly get your G-Shock ready for daily use, whether you are at home or traveling. Let's get started and make sure your timepiece is perfectly synchronized. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the essential buttons on your G-Shock. The Adjust button is usually found on the top left, and the Mode button is on the bottom left. On the right side, you will typically find the Forward and Reverse buttons. To begin setting the time, press and hold the Adjust button for about 3 to 5 seconds until you hear a beep and the display starts flashing. This indicates you have entered the watch's setting mode. Once in setting mode, the first thing you will likely see flashing is your home city code. Use the forward or reverse buttons to scroll through the city codes and select your desired location. After setting your home city, press the mode button to cycle through other settings like daylight saving time, seconds, hours, and minutes. When the hours or minutes are flashing, use the forward or reverse buttons to adjust them to the correct time. Remember to set daylight saving time if needed. After setting the hours and minutes, continue pressing the mode button to cycle through other settings such as the year, month, and day. Adjust these values as necessary using the forward or reverse buttons. Once all your desired settings are correctly displayed, press the Adjust button one final time. This action will save all your changes and exit the setting mode. Your G-Shock watch is now accurately set and ready to keep perfect time for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.